Hello, welcome to Anjus Universe. Today's recipe is Sambar, mixed vegetable sambar. So let's see the ingredients. I have taken some vegetables like carrot, around 2 pieces of carrot I have taken, and around 150 grams of beans I have chopped, and 1 big capsicum I have taken, and that is the tur dal. I have washed and I have soaked, so it will boil fast. That's why you can just immediately wash and put in pressure cooker. It will boil, no problem. And after that, that is the tamarind I have soaked in water, which I'm going to squeeze and take the water later. And these are some coriander leaves which I'm going to chop and put later. These are curry leaves. I have teared them into 2 pieces. This is the sambar powder which I have made a video. You can check it out how to make sambar powder. And some rye or the mustard seed, salt always according to the taste, and the hing. Hing is for tadka, it's important. This mustard seed and hing and the curry leaves. So let's start. First what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil the vegetables with the dal and with some salt. So I have put the pressure cooker and I have put some water into it. Around I have used this cup. This glass I have used. These 2 glasses of dal is there. So I have used this same glass, 4 glasses of water to boil. And later we need sambar to be little thinner because it will be just boiled. So we need thinner. So again we can add water according to our thinness, how we want it. So I have added around 4 glasses of water. Now I am going to add the dal and the vegetable and salt to boil. So here I am adding the dal. Now I will add the vegetables. So here goes the beans, carrot and the capsicum, and we'll wait for 2 whistles to be done. And I'm going to add salt. This is according to this dal I am adding salt. You can add according to your taste. So I have added 2 teaspoons of salt, and if needed I'm going to add later. So I will just put the lid on and wait for 2 whistles. So here I have filtered the tamarind water. Now I'm going to add the sambar powder into it and mix it, because if I add directly to the dal, it will be lumpy. So I'm going to mix in this water. Then I'm going to add in sambar, which I have boiled in pressure cooker. So here it's nice and boiled. I'm going to add the tamarind water and the sambar powder mixed water. Now we'll boil for 2 minutes and I'm going to ready the tempering for it, the tadka. Now I'm going to add the chopped coriander leaves. Here I have put 1 small tadka pan in which I'm going to add the oil. Normally South Indian dishes they use sesame oil. So I'm not using sesame oil here. I'm just using a normal refined oil. While it's boiling nice and done, I'm going to switch off the gas. Here tadka oil is ready. I'm going to add the mustard seed or the rye. It started splattering. I'm going to add the hing. I will switch off the gas. Now I'm going to add the curry leaves. While adding curry leaves, be very careful. vegetable sambar is ready. Do like my video, subscribe my channel, keep watching. I'll be back with new video. Till then, bye for now.